What if your AI assistant could move beyond simple chat responses and actually operate like a real desktop user? That's exactly what Generation 5.5 Agentic Desktop is designed to achieve. Instead of only answering questions, this system can interact with applications, automate workflows, and complete complex tasks across an entire desktop environment. Think of it as the next evolution of AI productivity. From clicking buttons to managing software processes, this technology bridges the gap between human actions and intelligent automation, opening the door to faster work, reduced manual effort, and entirely new possibilities for businesses and creators. To unlock full AI automation, the system needs deep access to the operating environment itself. Traditional browser-based AI tools are limited because they only see a small portion of the workflow. Agentic Desktop changes that by operating directly inside a controlled desktop setup. This allows the AI to access files, interact with applications, monitor processes, and execute commands in real time. By combining visual understanding with system-level permissions, the AI becomes capable of performing advanced tasks that previously required human interaction. This dedicated environment is what makes reliable automation possible at scale. One of the biggest advantages of Generation 5.5 is efficiency. Premium AI models dramatically reduce wasted tokens while increasing the quality of reasoning and execution. Instead of juggling multiple disconnected tools, users can consolidate workflows into a single intelligent system. This means fewer interruptions, lower operational costs, and faster output generation. Whether you're building automations, analyzing data, or managing digital operations, token efficiency directly impacts performance and scalability. The graph here highlights how advanced models provide exponentially greater productivity compared to standard setups, making premium AI infrastructure a major competitive advantage. This slide demonstrates how AI-generated code can instantly create powerful desktop utilities. Instead of manually programming every feature, users can describe what they want, and the AI builds the solution automatically. These hidden system tools can monitor processes, automate repetitive actions, or create interfaces that streamline operations. The real breakthrough is accessibility. Even users without deep coding experience can now build sophisticated automation systems through natural language instructions. This dramatically lowers the barrier to software creation and empowers individuals and businesses to deploy custom tools faster than ever before. Generation 5.5 introduces intelligent local browser sessions capable of handling advanced reasoning tasks directly on the desktop. Rather than relying entirely on cloud interactions, the AI can create isolated environments for testing, analysis, automation, and strategic execution. This improves speed, privacy, and workflow reliability. The browser sessions can process large datasets, run simulations, and interact with web applications while maintaining contextual awareness. As AI reasoning becomes more advanced, local session management becomes essential for scalability. This architecture allows businesses and creators to operate multiple intelligent workflows simultaneously without losing efficiency. Setting up complex AI infrastructure traditionally required technical expertise, server configuration, and time-consuming deployment steps. With one-click deployment, Generation 5.5 simplifies the entire process. Users can instantly launch automation systems, connect APIs, and activate intelligent workflows within seconds. This drastically reduces setup friction and allows teams to focus on execution instead of configuration. Rapid deployment also improves experimentation because businesses can test ideas quickly without massive upfront investment. In practical terms, this means faster innovation cycles, easier scaling, and greater accessibility for entrepreneurs, developers, and organizations exploring AI-driven productivity. Computer use represents one of the most powerful capabilities of agentic AI. Once activated, the system can interact with the desktop, much like a human operator. It can open applications, navigate interfaces, enter information, and complete multi-step workflows autonomously. This transforms AI from a passive assistant into an active digital operator. Businesses can automate administrative work, repetitive processes, and software interactions at unprecedented speed. However, this level of control also requires careful safeguards, permissions, and monitoring. The future of automation depends on balancing powerful autonomy with secure and responsible deployment practices. Modern AI workflows often require multiple processes running simultaneously. Hybrid compute architecture allows Generation 5.5 to distribute workloads across modular systems, creating smoother and more scalable operations. Instead of forcing every task through a single pipeline, the AI can process independent actions asynchronously. This increases speed, improves reliability, and minimizes bottlenecks. For example, one module can analyze data, while another controls the interface, and another communicates with external services. The result is a flexible ecosystem, where complex tasks are completed faster and more efficiently than traditional software automation methods. One of the most impressive features of Generation 5.5 is its ability to interact with graphical user interfaces naturally. The AI can move cursors, click buttons, type text, and navigate software almost exactly like a human user. This means older applications that lack APIs can still be automated effectively. Instead of rebuilding systems from scratch, organizations can integrate AI directly into existing workflows. Accurate GUI manipulation also improves compatibility across industries, because almost every digital tool relies on visual interfaces. This creates enormous opportunities for automation in customer service, operations, finance, and content production. Data is one of the most valuable assets in modern business, and Generation 5.5 dramatically improves the ability to collect and process it. Background scripting enables the AI to gather targeted datasets automatically without requiring constant supervision. The system can monitor sources, organize information, and structure outputs in real time. This capability is especially valuable for research, analytics, lead generation, and market intelligence. By automating repetitive collection tasks, businesses save time while gaining access to larger and more organized datasets. Faster access to accurate information ultimately leads to better decisions and stronger competitive positioning. AI-generated information is only valuable if it's accurate and usable. Generation 5.5 focuses heavily on structured output formatting to minimize hallucinations and improve reliability. Instead of generating vague or inconsistent responses, the system organizes data into production-ready formats such as spreadsheets, dashboards, reports, and databases. This makes the output immediately useful for businesses, developers, and analysts. Structured formatting also improves automation, because downstream systems can process clean data more efficiently. Reliable outputs reduce manual corrections and create smoother workflows, making AI integrations far more practical for real-world operations. Creating professional presentations usually takes hours of manual work, but Generation 5.5 can transform raw metrics into compelling visual narratives automatically. The system analyzes information, identifies key trends, and generates structured slide content with charts, summaries, and insights. This capability is especially valuable for business reporting, marketing, and executive communication. Instead of spending time designing presentations, teams can focus on interpreting results and making decisions. AI-powered slide generation also improves consistency and speed, allowing organizations to produce high-quality reports at scale with significantly less effort. Every business has unique workflows, tools, and operational requirements. Generation 5.5 is designed with customization at its core, allowing organizations to integrate AI directly into existing ecosystems. Whether it's CRM systems, analytics platforms, customer support tools, or internal databases, the AI can adapt to enterprise environments with minimal disruption. This flexibility is critical because no single automation solution fits every company. By connecting deeply with enterprise infrastructure, organizations gain faster execution, improved coordination, and stronger operational efficiency. Custom AI ecosystems ultimately create a major advantage in speed, scalability, and decision-making. Secure isolation is essential when AI systems perform advanced web operations. This slide highlights how isolated browser environments allow Generation 5.5 to safely execute tasks without interfering with the primary system. The AI can browse websites, complete forms, gather information, and test workflows independently while maintaining security and stability. Isolation also improves scalability because multiple browser sessions can operate simultaneously. This approach is particularly valuable for automation-heavy industries, where reliability and security are critical. By separating workflows into controlled environments, businesses gain both efficiency and protection. We are entering a new era, where AI is no longer limited to generating text or answering questions. Agentic systems are becoming active participants in digital operations, capable of reasoning, acting, and automating complex workflows independently. Generation 5.5 demonstrates how these technologies are already practical and deployable today. From infrastructure automation to intelligent desktop control, the capabilities shown throughout this presentation reveal a future where productivity is dramatically amplified by AI agents. Businesses that adopt these systems early will gain a significant advantage in efficiency, scalability, innovation, and competitive execution. One of the biggest shifts in modern AI development, moving from small code snippets to complete software architecture generation. Instead of generating isolated functions, Generation 5.5 can now build entire projects with organized folders, logic files, styling systems, and interactive functionality in one workflow. In this example, the AI creates a fully functional web-based checkers game, complete with animations and sound. This changes how developers work, because the AI is no longer acting like a simple assistant. It becomes a collaborative software engineer, capable of handling complex project structures from a single prompt. Here we see the AI operating directly inside a coding environment, while validating and correcting visual logic automatically. Instead of waiting for a developer to identify layout problems manually, The system analyzes CSS structures, spacing, grid alignment, and rendering issues in real time. This dramatically speeds up front-end development because the AI can detect inconsistencies before deployment. The most important part is contextual understanding. The model isn't just generating random code. It understands the purpose of the interface and continuously optimizes the design. This transforms the development process into a far more efficient and intelligent workflow. Now, focuses on why premium AI environments create massive return on investment for heavy users. While advanced models may appear expensive initially, their token efficiency and autonomous capabilities dramatically reduce operational costs over time. Instead of switching between multiple subscriptions and disconnected tools, users can centralize their workflows into a single intelligent system. The ability to run long-form autonomous tasks without constant interruptions becomes a huge advantage for developers, researchers, and businesses. When AI can continuously execute coding, analysis, scraping, and automation tasks, productivity scales far beyond traditional human-only workflows. One of the most powerful capabilities shown here is instant deployment. Traditionally, taking a local project and turning it into a live web application required multiple complicated steps involving servers, hosting providers, and infrastructure configuration. Generation 5.5 simplifies this entire pipeline into a single automated workflow. The AI packages the project, configures infrastructure, pushes the deployment, and generates a live URL within seconds. This dramatically lowers technical barriers for creators and developers. Faster deployment means faster experimentation, quicker feedback loops, and significantly accelerated innovation across software projects. Now, explains how deployed applications move through different lifecycle stages. Temporary development environments allow users to instantly test ideas without permanent infrastructure commitments. Once the application proves successful, it can be converted into a fully hosted permanent product. This flexibility is incredibly important for rapid prototyping and scaling. Businesses can launch experimental tools quickly, gather user feedback, and upgrade successful projects into long-term solutions. By reducing deployment friction, Generation 5.5 enables creators and startups to iterate faster than traditional development cycles would normally allow. This is where AI transforms from a chatbot into a true digital operator. By enabling autonomous computer use, the AI gains system-wide permissions to interact directly with the operating system. It can launch applications, navigate menus, locate files, and execute complex multi-step workflows exactly like a human user. The significance here is massive because it removes the limitation of browser-only interactions. Instead of simply giving instructions, users can delegate entire operational tasks to the AI. This represents the beginning of AI-powered digital employees capable of handling real-world desktop workflows autonomously, the concept of independent AI multitasking. While the human user continues working normally, the AI operates in parallel, using its own autonomous cursor and workflow execution system. This creates a completely new productivity model, where repetitive tasks like formatting, organizing files, and entering data happen silently in the background. Instead of interrupting the user's workflow, the AI complements it. The result is a hybrid work environment where humans focus on strategy and creativity, while AI agents manage repetitive operational processes efficiently and continuously. One of the biggest breakthroughs in agentic AI is the ability to control complex third-party applications directly. This slide demonstrates how the AI can launch heavy software like video editors, renderers, or production tools and interact with them intelligently. It can locate files, analyze media content, perform edits, and automate repetitive production tasks. This is extremely important because many enterprise tools lack proper APIs for automation. By understanding graphical interfaces visually, the AI can operate software the same way a human editor or operator would, unlocking automation opportunities across industries. How Generation 5.5 understands graphical user interfaces spatially and sequentially. The AI can open applications, locate search bars, enter commands, and execute precise interaction chains exactly like a human user. This capability is especially valuable for older enterprise systems that were never designed for AI integration. Instead of rebuilding expensive legacy infrastructure, organizations can automate workflows through visual interaction alone. The ability to manipulate GUIs flawlessly means, I can now operate almost any software environment regardless of whether modern APIs exist. Demonstrates large-scale autonomous research workflows. The AI navigates websites independently, scrapes relevant data, extracts contact information, cross-references multiple sources, and organizes everything automatically. Tasks that would normally take human analysts days can now be completed in minutes. This capability has enormous value for marketing, lead generation, creator analysis, and competitive intelligence. More importantly, the AI maintains workflow continuity without requiring constant prompts. Once the objective is defined, the system independently executes the research process from start to finish. Collecting data is only useful if the final output is clean, structured, and reliable. This slide shows how Generation 5.5 converts raw information into organized spreadsheets with conditional formatting, categorized tabs, visual charts, and consistent architecture. The focus here is accuracy and production readiness. Instead of messy AI-generated responses, users receive professional-grade structured outputs ready for immediate business use. This drastically reduces manual cleanup work and improves workflow efficiency. Reliable formatting also allows downstream systems and analytics tools to process AI outputs more effectively. Now, reveals one of the most practical applications of autonomous AI, transforming research into polished presentations automatically. The AI analyzes collected data, extracts meaningful insights, structures narrative flow, and generates executive-style presentation decks without breaking context. This is a major productivity breakthrough because reporting and presentation design often consume huge amounts of time. By automating the transition from raw data to professional communication, teams can focus more on strategy and decision-making rather than repetitive formatting and slide creation tasks. Generation 5.5 goes beyond one-time tasks by supporting recurring background automations. Through plugins and integrations, the AI can connect directly to enterprise systems, CRMs, communication platforms, and development environments. Scheduled workflows allow agents to wake up automatically, execute recurring operations, and generate summaries without human intervention. This creates a fully autonomous reporting and maintenance ecosystem. Businesses benefit from continuous productivity because routine operational tasks happen automatically every day, reducing manual oversight and improving consistency across workflows. This slide summarizes why desktop-based AI environments are fundamentally more powerful than traditional browser chatbots. By combining GUI access, local permissions, autonomous testing, and self-validation loops, the AI becomes capable of handling highly complex workflows independently. Instead of relying entirely on human corrections, the system can test outputs, identify problems, and refine solutions autonomously. This dramatically accelerates execution speed while reducing operational friction. The desktop paradigm represents the evolution of AI, from passive assistant to active operational infrastructure. The final slide focuses on practical implementation steps for adopting autonomous AI workflows today. First, users need to move from basic web chat interfaces to dedicated desktop AI environments. Next, system permissions must be enabled so the AI can interact with operating systems and third-party applications. From there, deployment pipelines and workflow prompts can be connected to create fully automated productivity systems. The key message is simple. This technology is no longer theoretical. Businesses and creators can begin implementing agentic AI workflows immediately to gain significant advantages in speed, automation, and scalability.